Hello korang,
Hey
welcome
korang.
back to this channel. So, hari ni kita ada game yang bertajuk Sabado Day 1. So, Sabado Day 1 tak silap kata in Philippine, it means Saturday. So, I mean kita mungkin macam kalau tengok security ni kita mungkin pergi sekolah hari Sabtu ke apa kan. So, kalau korang dari duduk diam makan-makan dan jom kita tengok. Kata, where am I? Atau cakap, where am I? Where am I? AWSD, move to look. Okay. Hello.
Finally?
You-
Dumating ka?
You finally arrived. Okay. Do I know you?
Hindi na ngayon.
Not anymore. Okay. Wait. Who are you?
Tagal kitang hinihintay.
I've been waiting for you for a long time. Okay. Kenapa kau tunggu kat sini? Why? What's happening? I mean, tak ada tempat yang lebih romantik ke kau nak pilih daripada
Sa
sini?
rooftop. Kita tayo sa
Meet me on the
Sabado.
rooftop this Saturday. Huh? Wait, what? Kita nak ada girlfriend weh. Tapi kenapa hari Sabtu Sabtu bukan hari cuti ke?
Help me.
Help me, Jacob. Okay. Help you what? Are you okay? Huh? Okay. What was that dream? I mean maybe basah kot. I should clean myself up first before I watch TV. Okay. Damn, CCTV pula. Sensitivity ni tak relax. Okay. Lala. Hey, what's up? What's up, my boy? Handsome boy. Kenapa aku dapat pasangan ni? Like so kita bersihkan diri kita. Cuci muka sikit. Okay, handsome tak? Dia macam Nah, aku pening. Okay, so kita dah basuh muka. So kita kena buat apa? Macam tengok TV. TV depan. Yeah, rumah dia kecil dia. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's that? Oh my god. Oh, so cute. I like that colour. You know, pink. Dia macam pink polish gitu. Okay, ada apa kita kena buat ke ni? Span tuang sampah. Okay. Okay, apa benda tu? Okay, kita gosok gigi. Jangan lupa gosok gigi. Bula. Jangan lupa bersihkan gigi ya korang. Kalau tidak, gigi korang akan berlubang. Gosok. Bula. Bula. Dia mengingatkan aku dekat cerita ni. Tu Pipin. Siapa sini yang terpayung? Ehsan, doktor. Ehsan. Tengok gigi. Gitu. Okay, so disuruh masukkan apa ni? Bag. Kita ada bag. Okay, kita ada apa ni? Dompet. Dompet yang nipis, yang tak ada duit. Sian je. Macam apa ni? Ada ni beads. Beads ni nak buat apa tu? Like, aku tak tahu kenapa apa dengan beads tu. Kita ada notebook. Ambil lah. Geram pula aku. Okay. Dan kita ada apa ni? Pen. Okay, nice. Kau cuma pergi sekolah bawa pen, bawa buku, itu je. Okay, pemadam tak ada apa semua. Aku nak kata dia ni sengket. Macam sengket. Tapi aku pun sama. Kah? So, kita tengok TV. Okay. A bro. Yeah, bro. A Broken City. Aku ingat bro. Okay. Okay, dia suruh kita duduk. Pilih meja ni dulu. Cute change channel. Okay. Damn. Hah? Orang teriak. antara VTuber. I mean tengok macam ni lagi macam menarik sebab boleh nampak reaction orang. Tapi bagi aku VTuber bukanlah aku nak cakap apa, tapi expression tak berapa jelas sangat. Sebab apa yang kau boleh nampak, okay, dia happy semua tu kan. Tapi tak tahulah, mungkin satu masa nanti aku akan main VTuber juga. What the hell? Seriously? There's no signal? Okay, dia macam ada orang ke tengok? Macam ada orang. Macam ni mata. Ni mata. Nampak tak? Lepas tu ni hidung. Ke aku je seorang yang nampak? Okay, apa jadi? Kena bergelap. Dah malam ke? Hello? Apa hal ni? Weh, aku dah kena rasuk ke? Aku ada apa? Aku kena isekai ke? Imagine kau isekai sebab tengok TV. Kau mati sebab tengok TV. Damn. Where am I? Why am I back at my old school? Check the rooftop. Okay. Oh. Hi, thank you anak panah. Is this a dream? Aku tak rasa dia dream. But yo, who's bayang siapa tu tu? Damn. Besar kedabak bayang dia. Okay. Oh, okay. Terima kasih. Terima kasih anak panah. Apa ni? Go to the second floor. Open door room. Second floor. Is this the second floor? Yeah, this is the second floor. Okay. Pintu memang terbuka. Kenapa pintu terbuka? Who's that? Bagaimana? Oi!
Ay, putang ina.
Oh, damn it. Oh, that hurts.
Sakit.
Sakit. Sakit lagi weh. Dia kata sakit weh. Oh, sure. You're just a cutie lah. Hey, are you okay? Shh. Hey,
Wala kang nakita.
Too close?
Get?
too close. Shh. You didn't see anything, got it? Please, mata kau tu aku tak tahu rasa comel lah. How could I not? You trip right in front of me. Bro, go bro, I hold her.
Hindi ako dapat
I hold her moment.
intentional landing.
Excuse me, I didn't fall. That was an intentional landing. Okay, whatever you say. Kau drive macam kau ni lambat bagaimana? Oh really? Look like a pretty painful intentional landing. By the way, are you sure you can still stand? Ya, kau okay tak? Kau tengok macam jatuh ada sakit.
Siyempre naman, no?
Of course I can. Okay. Bye-bye.
Wait,
Wait,
ikaw si Jacob,
you are
diba?
Jacob, right? Tak. How do you know my name? Yeah, how do you know my name? Who are you?
Grabe ka naman.
Oh, seriously?
Friend mo
I'm your friend. Kalau kau kawan aku, kau tahu nama aku.
ako. Ako si Chesa.
Betul lah tu dia tahu nama aku. Kah? I'm Chesa.
Close friend tayo nun eh.
We used to be really close friends. Okay.
By the way,
By the way,
natin hindi
it's been so
nakita,
long
Jacob,
since we
ah.
last saw each other, Jacob. Hehe. Hehe. Yeah.
bakit nag-transfer out ka?
But you transfer out. You know, dia...
Ayaw na ba ako maging
Aku tak nak cakap apa.
friend?
Don't you want me to be your best friends anymore? Sorry, I don't remember. I mean, dia punya ni black hair,
By the
red
way,
eye dengan eye bag dia
hinahanap
tu
mo ako
is kinda
dito.
look like cute lah. By the way, I'm just looking for something here. Doh, kenapa aku?
Ikaw.
Kenapa aku? Aduh. What about you? Why are you here? That's what I like to know too. Why I'm here? Okay.
Tara,
Come on.
pasok ka muna
Let's
sa
head
loob.
inside first. Kenapa aku nak kena ikut kau masuk Aku nak belah dari sini tu. Jangan. Tolong. Jaga saya. Ni. Bahaya dah dekat-dekat kau ni. Cepat lah. Okay, kita kat sini. Okay.
So,
So, long time no see, Jacob. What's gotten into you? Yeah, what's gotten into you? Are you okay?
What do you mean?
What do you mean? Hilang kau tiba-tiba kau muncul kat sini seorang-seorang. You're kind of weird, you know. Kenapa kau cakap benda tu kuat-kuat
I am normal.
I am normal. Yeah, dia normal korang. Okay, bye.
Gusto mo, Jacob? Lipat kita dito sa school?
Want me to show you around the school, Jacob? Not do I mind, but
Silence means yes,
Salamin,
diba?
yes, right?
Diba?
Let's go. Silence mean aku nak lari, bye. Okay, apa ni? Oh, nice. Susun rapat. Dia tunggu pula. Tu buka lah pintu untuk aku. Kau dah buka tadi, bukalah. Ish. Buka seorang. Okay.
Jacob,
Yeah.
ito pala yung clinic.
Jacob, this is the clinic. Hehe. Okay.
Malala ko.
I remember
lagi
you
kang
were always
natambay
hanging
dito.
around here. Yeah. You know, athlete
Pag
macam
na-injure ka,
tepak sana tepak sini. Whatever you got injured.
kaya lagi akong sumisilip.
That's why I
dito
always
eh.
came by to check on you. Okay, terima kasih. You are really talkative, Chessa. Haha. Haha. Awkward silent moment.
Ganun talaga. Guide mo
Well,
ako
I'm
ngayon
your
eh.
guide today. Hehe.
Tama, Jacob.
Boleh tak aku ambil fire extinguisher ni untuk, you know, something wrong. Okay. Kau nak bawa aku gimana ni? Tolonglah. Kau dengan aku seorang-seorang kat sini tau. Weh, takut tau. Benda tu. Oh, tu lampu. Janganlah berhenti, jalan je lah. Aku nak tengok pemandangan pun susah. Cesa? Are you okay? Kenapa Are you okay, bro? Okay, aku tak...
Wah? Tama na, Jacob.
Okay, korang duduk situ, aku kasi. Bro, that's so cute lah. I mean, I know you didn't do it on purpose, but I know I do. Aku tak tahu aku cakap apa dah. Aku tahu kau buat saja-saja. Kau memang saja-saja nampak. Kita kat mana ni? Ni fakulti ke?
By the way, ito pala yung faculty
This is the
room.
faculty room. Okay. Lepas tu aku nak buat apa ni?
Medyo, hindi
I'm not really a
ko
fan
naman
of this
to.
place. Ni bukan tempat yang kau kena marah dengan cikgu
Dito
ni ke?
tumatambay yung mga devil grade maker
And
natin.
this is where our devilish grade makers used to hang out. Sana bukan tempat kau kena
Dito,
belajar
ginawa mo
overtime
naman
ke?
lahat, pero ibabagsak
You could do
mo na sa
everything right
kawalan.
and they still fail you for no reason. Itulah aku cakap, aku dah kata sekolah ni mencit. Tahu tak sekolah ni mencit? Actually agree with you there. Ha. Yeah. Bayangkan aku jawab B, lepas tu cikgu tu jawab B, aku pun macam, lepas tu dia salahkan aku. Kau tahu tak? Woi, aku cakap kau ni. Yeah, tak tahu. Okay. Oh, this is a nice
Uy,
place.
ito pala yung library natin.
Hey, this is our library. Okay.
Naaalala ko yung
Explore other area first.
horror story dito.
I remember the horror story about this place. Okay, apa dia? The ghost that loves borrowing his book. Okay, aku tahu dia ghost tu dia orang yang nerd kan?
Hindi.
No.
Kasi,
Because
kapag
once it
nangyari
borrows
siya,
one,
ghost
it
writing
becomes a
siya.
ghost, right? Bro, that joke was so corny. Yo. Aku tahu aku corny tapi kau lagi corny daripada aku, tahu tak?
Ang sabi
They say
nila,
there's a girl
dito
who
tayong
cries
umiiyak
here
dito
every
tuwing
night.
gabi.
I think I know why. Dia baca novel banyak sangat. Kan kau yang baca novel banyak sangat? Ha?
Parang may
It's like she's waiting for someone to come back. I think memang betul dia baca buku banyak sangat. Macam novel Cinton. So, what's the story behind the crying girl?
Anyone come in?
I don't know either. Maybe she just couldn't book her feelings. Bro, it's twice dah ni. Aku tak ada buat pun lagi. Oh, it's probably just an urban legend. The student probably made it up. Yeah, it's probably just an urban legend.
Siguro nga.
Sebab kita boleh buat legend kat sini. Sebab di sini semua yang legend, cik. Okay, korang sorry yang aku buat dead joke kat sini.
Hindi mo basta-basta iniiwan.
You don't just leave them behind,
Diba?
right? No?
Tara
Come
na.
on. Tak nak? Kalau tak nak, kenapa apa?
Fun
Fun
fact.
fact. Okay.
Alam mo ba kung...
Do you know why a
nakatilig
basketball
ang
is
bola?
round? I mean, bulat tu bukan sentuh senang dia, you know, baling senang ditangkap semua tu. Why?
Para bumalik
So it
ka pag
comes back when
tumambog.
it's bound. Kan aku dah kata. Aku tahu. Fun fact, tahu tak kenapa gelanggang ni warna-warna petak?
Sana. Ganun
Sebab
din
kalau
ang
bukan
tao.
kalau gelanggang ni bulat dia tak panggil petak. Dia panggil ball. Aku tak tahu aku cakap apa. Tengok betul lah. Aku cuba buat ni.
Hindi
Aku tak boleh
naman
kalahkan dia.
Nakakabalik.
Yo, boleh tak aku main ni? Aku banding kat dia.
Uy!
Hey, you
Ito
used to
ka
play
lagi
basketball
naglalaro
here
ng
all the
basketball
time.
noon.
Okay.
Amaze na
I'm still amazed by you. Kenapa seorang kau macam tu Bahaya dah seorang kau macam ni. Let me see if I still got it. Hey, jom, let's be Kobe. Okay. Kobe.
Sikat ka, boy.
Banyak Kobe. No, aku kena skill 10. Kobe.
Yes!
Okay. Let's go. Yeah.
Galing mo pa rin.
That's what I like. Yeah. Yeah, that's twice, bro. Bro, I'm more athletic than aku lebih atletik daripada aku fikir. Yeah, nampak? Kau nampak tak?
Sikat ka, boy.
Kobe.
Panis!
Nampak? Okay, one more.
Jacob!
Jacob. Next one. Yeah. Jacob. Bro, she's such a sweet girl lah. Dia teman aku kat sini.
Naishot! Galing mo pa rin.
Dia support aku macam ni. Macam, oh, so sweet. Bro, I'm him, bro.
Habibi.
Serious, I'm him. Okay, what's more?
Sikat ka,
Yeah. Okay, for Jacob.
Sikat ka, boy.
Okay, kali ni. Jacob. Yeah.
Panis!
Okay, this is all for the fans. Yeah, you go. You know what I say. You know what I do. Yeah.
Hidden talent ka pala.
Wow, Jacob, you're actually good. Were you hiding your talent? Yeah. Hello. Malas ni nak ni.
Tinago mo na lang.
I wish you had kept it hidden. That's why it's called hidden, so you wouldn't get jealous. Yeah. You won't get jealous.
Uy, Jacob.
Hey Jacob,
Joke
I was
yun.
just joking. You're so
Seryoso
serious. Hehe. Tadi nak serius? Dan sekarang tak nak pula.
Tara na.
Come on. Okay.
May. wala
We've
pa
got
tayo
one last place to
pupuntahan.
visit. Okay, kat mana? Follow Chesa. Wait, risau aku di jalan depan aku tadi. Boleh tak aku nak ambil basketball tu? Aku rindu lah. Janganlah berhenti. Kau dah berhenti je. Sekejap. Okay. Aku tak boleh dekat-dekat sangat kan dengan dia. Macam aku risau. Sebab dia dah dapat. Kenapa aku sangkut kat sini? Weh, aku risau aku kena start balik. Okay, kita kat mana ni? Ooh.
Dito nagte-training ang mga
This is where the
students.
students used to train. Okay.
Lagi
I always say you back here back then. Kau tahu tak, semua ni terlalu berat untuk aku. Sorry, I really don't remember anything. Semua terlalu berat untuk aku angkat. But thank you, Jessa. Jadi jangan mention semua ni sebab terlalu berat.
Bakit?
Okay, aku berhenti. For what? For showing me around. Bro, this is not a video game anymore.
No
This is a dad joke competition lah. No problem.
Namiss talaga kita, Jacob.
I really miss you, Jacob. Oh, I don't miss you.
Pwede. Dito ka na
Can you
lang.
just stay here with me? Can you cook? Can you clean? Tiba.
Ay,
Hey,
Jacob.
Jacob.
Pwede pa kuha ko ng
Could you get me the
tubig sa
bottle of
table?
water on the table? Table mana? Oh, Hamida. Oh, jauh no. Okay, botol. Itu get. Are you okay? Why are you looking at me like that? Yo, sweetheart, you okay, sweetheart?
Ay, thank you, Jacob.
Okay, I don't know what happened. Okay, welcome. What? Chesa? Chesa, are you okay? Chesa? What? What just happened? Okay. What? Hold W to move. Stop holding W to look back. Okay, aku dah tekan W. Cia. Cia. Alamak, dia makin dekat pula. Jangan laju sangat boleh. Jalan malas aku. Okay. Okay tak, aku bagi kau pilihan. Kau nak ikut cepat. Dapat dengan aku, jangan ada macam tu. You thought. What the hell? Weh, siapa letak pintu sejuk kat situ weh? Cesa? Okay. Oh, you're
gising ka
awake.
na.
Kenapa kat sini? Why I'm here?
Are you okay?
Are you okay? Okay je. Are you okay? Awak okay tak? What? Okay. What just happened? So, kita seorang-seorang kat sini. Tak ada siapa-siapa. Okay.
You'll stay with me forever.
You stay with me forever. Tak nak. The game is still under development. Wishlist now for full game on Steam. Thank you for playing. Okay, it's a nice game jugalah. Macam okay, first of all, sorry korang kalau grafiknya tak berapa nice sebab yalah, apa yang aku pakai pun bukannya macam terlalu apa power untuk main game-game macam ni kan. This is a 3D game. Actually, I was looking forward to game Miside, tapi aku takut tak boleh main sebab aku punya laptop tak berapa nak ni sangat, tak berapa nak kuat sangat. Okay korang, so next game kita ada Noah's Secret. So dia kata macam Noah tu ada secret. So apa pun, jomlah kita pergi tengok. Drink water from the kitchen. Okay. Doh, ini rumah ke apa benda tu? Like kau ni siapa tu? Kau tinggal sini ke? Is this the kitchen? No. Oh yeah, this is the kitchen. Damn. I must clean up this mess. Okay, terlalu sensitif pula. That's better. So drink water from the kitchen. Okay. Aku tak isi air lagi. Kau minum apa tu? Put the item from the table into the fridge. Okay. Damn, fridge agak besar fridge kita kat sini. Ni apa ni? Coca-Cola. Sedap ni susu. Okay, susu. Dan apa lagi? Roti. Okay, sebab beli sejuk roti. Periuk ni sekali ke? Oh, kacang. Kacang. Stop. Put the items on into the fridge. Maksudnya dia sekali. Damn. Yeah. Get to bed upstairs. Okay. Tak, kenapa aku jalan wobbly betul like macam kau tahu macam aku nak tombang macam aku minum air tu. Aku rasa aku minum air toksik ni. Siapa racun ke aku punya air? Answer phone. Kalau kau tak nak, siapa call aku tengah malam macam ni? Hey Jason, is that you? Okay, who is this? Yeah, who's this? It's Noah. Why are you calling my landline? Are you crazy, bro? Sorry for calling this late. Could you do me a small favor? What? I had a fight with my roommate, so I need a place to stay overnight. I can't be where he is. He really pissed me off. I can't even look at him. Which roommate, Brandon? Yeah. Weren't you guys almost best friend? Almost best friend. What happened? Dia kalau dah almost best friend tu bukannya kawan yang baik. It's a long story, I'll tell you. Can I come over? I don't know. Dah tak payah datang. What exactly happened? Just tell me briefly. Can I come or not? Alright, fine. Come over. Memaksa kau. Memaksa pula budak ni. What the? Hey, here I am. What the hell you just called me? How did you? Can I come in? Kau keluar sekarang? Mu keluar sekarang. Mu keluar. Kau dok mau tengok mukamu. Oh tak? It's really storming outside. Fine, come in. Like, siapa yang tak ketuk, tak buat apa, tiba-tiba masuk je. Aku ingat kau rumah. Kau siapa? Ni rumah kau ke? Alright bro, what happened between you and Brandon? What do you mean? What happened? Man, he really pissed me off. How? Was it about the rent? I wish it was. What are you talking about? Look, you know Chloe, my girlfriend? Yeah. Okay, siapa Chloe? What's up with her? I mean, kita just, you know, kita nak tahu apa orang kata? The tea. Okay. She texted me him last night. Damn. Why? I noticed they've been texting before. So I asked him, you guys talking or what? I mean, seriously, what's he got to talk about my girl? Yeah, that's kinda weird. So, what did he say? They start giving me this whole story like, nah bro, we just ran into each other at a cafe once. Say they talk a bit. Then he says since she goes to the same college as him, he asked her for help with one of his classes. Bro, that's gotta be bullshit, huh? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, I asked her too. She said they just bumped into each other somewhere downtown. Honestly, I don't buy it. Feels like they are both lying to me. Then me and Brandon start arguing. I told him he better not even think about hitting on her. And after that, it just went downhill. I had to get out of for a while, so I left. I don't even know what to do, man. Bro, you have a serious talk to me, bro. If you, the person who shows up in my front door without knocking first, you are the criminal. You know? You are the criminal. Anyway, you got any clothes I can borrow? I'm soaked. It's raining like crazy out here. Yeah bro, I got you. Aku ada kain putih je. Boleh tak kain putih? Aku ada sikit kunyit kain putih untuk orang macam kau ni, ha? Ni apa benda? Okay, bilik lala. Yo, you got a nice Really nice bedroom. But why your mirror is like this, yo? Like, are you okay? Do you need help? Banyak-banyak benda ni tapi kau satu baju pun tak ada. Kau biar betul. Like, oh yeah. That's what I like. Take close to Noah. Tak, kenapa? Tutup. Okay. Text the close to Noah. I mean, dia patut bersyukur dengan apa aku bagi, kan? Dia patutnya bersyukur dengan apa aku bagi. Like, dia tak sepatutnya kisah pun pasal benda ni. Tapi kenapa dia nak kena kisah? Like, aku boleh bagi aku punya baju tu. Hey, Abang Noah. Okay. Aku dah kata jangan gerakkan tadi. Kenapa kau tak dengar? Kenapa kau tak dengar? Aku tanya kau ni. Yo, what F bro? What F? I thought you were in the kitchen. Where you been? Just chilling in the room. Though I had someone knocking out the window, so I had to check it out. We good though. Bro, what's up with you? Why are you shaking? You scared or what? Nah, I'm good. Right. Here's your gear. Appreciate it. Gonna go change real quick. Restrooms upstairs, I know. Pakai elok-elok. Koyak sikit aku minta kau ganti rugi. Faham tak? Oi. Tapi apa yang aku tak faham is kau ada bilik, kau ada rumah yang besar. Tapi baju kau sikit je. This food is buzzing, bro. Thanks a lot for helping me out. Celeste. It's always some drama with you, bro. Haha, literally. Check the remote and turn on the TV. Okay, where's the remote? Oh yeah, ni dia. Let's see what's on TV. Bro, the sound is so loud, bro. No, we're not watching TV. Yo, TF is your problem. What's wrong with you? Nothing. We're just not watching TV. I'm stressed out. I can deal with all those shows and noise right now. Alright. Actually, you know what? Just show me to my room where I'm crashing tonight. Lead Noah to the room. Tepi lah, aku nak lalu. Kau ni kan, kalau aku dah kalau aku dah siku, jangan tanya kenapa. Ni dia, kau tidur sini. So this is my room, huh? Nah, bro. Stop sleeping, just let me sleep here. You are sleeping in the guest room. Guest room. Faham? Dok. Faham. Okay, I guess guest room dekat bahagian hujung. What? Why? Kau buat apa dengan lampu tu? Cuba kau cakap dengan aku dulu. Kau buat apa dengan lampu tu? Yeah, kau ni kan kalau aku dah aku dah pandai depan, kau pun pusing aku balik. Yo dude, your light bulb is dead. Man, screw it. Kau pusing aku lagi sekali, kau siap? Aku bagi amaran ni, kau siap? Okay, let Noah to his room. I mean, yeah. Ooh, this is such a nice room, bro. This is your room, enjoy. Well, do. I'm gonna go hit the sack to see you in morning. Alright, night. I mean, serious, dia room yang cantik. Dia macam hotel tau kalau dia lompat katil. What? What happened? I can't even sleep. Why is Noah acting like that? I feel like he's lying to me. He wouldn't even let us turn on the TV. Something is going on. I'm gonna call Brendan to see what the hell is happening. He's usually up at this hour. It's way too early for him to be crashing. Probably watching movies or something. Yeah, call Brendan. Aku nak call pakai apa? Cakap aku kena call pakai ni. Okay, aku tak boleh ni. So, aku buka lampu. Okay, aku call lalu apa? Nice phone. Jom, kita baring. Cakap, hey bro, what's up? What's up? Okay, kau sure ke kau telefon Brandon ni? Tak angkat-angkat ni. He's not answering. Weird. I don't think he's asleep, but who knows? I'll check tomorrow anyway. Man, I'm so thirsty. I'm going to the kitchen to get a drink of water. Okay. Hah? Bukan kau kat bawah ke? Bukan kau tidur kat bawah ke? Kenapa kau ni pula? Patutnya kau tidur kat bawah kan? Tadi kau cakap tu bilik kau. Lepas tu kau tidur kat atas. Aku tak tahu apa masalah kau. Hello, siapa-siapa ke? Ada orang ke kat situ? Air yang sungguh sedap. Air yang sungguh segar. Go back to bed. Okay. I hope no one's not here. Tak, aku benci betul lah tangga ni. Aku tak boleh lari atas tangga tu. Kenapa? Kenapa? Check WC. Okay. Kenapa? Why? What the hell, bro? You idiot. Kenapa cakap bahasa Jawa ni? You scared the crap out of me. Holy shit. Sorry, what are you doing anyway? Aren't you sleeping? Man, I'm just checking if my clothes are dry. I'm gonna go to sleep right now. Man, kau ingat kau budak-budak lagi ke? Nak takut-takut macam tu? Tak, mana bilik aku ni? Aduh, jauhnya. Punya dah banyak-banyak bilik. Kau tidur juga kat sini. Tak faham aku. Oh, okay, ada call. Call. Siapa pula call ni? Hey Jason, I'm sorry to call you this late at night, but it's really important. Have you seen Brandon by any chance? Brandon? He's not answering his phone. He was supposed to pick me up. He shouldn't be sleeping. Brandon? I called him too, but he's not answering me either. Really? What if something happened to him? Oh gosh, what am I going to do? Don't worry, I'm sure it's nothing. Oh god. Kenapa aku cakap? Kau tahu aku cakap macam apa? Macam Mickey Mouse, aku tahu. Oh god, if something happened to him, I don't know what I'll do. Relax, Sarah. Maybe he really did fall asleep. I'll go check on him. Okay, please let me know. Thank you so much. No worries. I called Noah too, but he's not answering either. Noah isn't answering you either? Do you know where Noah is? No. Okay, please let me know when you check. Okay. So, kita kena siasat mana Brandon Tapi masalahnya Noah mesti tahu kau keluar. 10 minutes later. This is their building. Okay. Thank you for, for showing me the way. Hello, ada orang tak? What's this? I shouldn't ring the intercom. I'll wake up the neighbors. Okay. The door is locked. I have to find another way in. So, kau serious lah? Kau nak macam masuk? Serious lah? Kau tak ada kerja ke? Ha? Oh, tak ada apa-apa kat sini. So, mana sebelah sana? Seriously, kau tak ada kerja ke? Masalahnya kau boleh je cakap, okay, saya nak pergi Brandon saya nak pergi rumah Brandon. Kalau ada apa-apa, boleh bagi tahu saya tak? It's really dark. Good thing about a flashlight. Press F to turn in or on off. Turn in. I just need to make sure the neighbors doesn't see me. Okay, thank you. Stupid mat. Okay, sekarang ni aku tak takutkan ni, tapi aku takutkan lagi-lagi ni. This is my way in. Bro, seriously kau kena masuk bawah tu. Okay, masuk dah. I'm going in. Dah masuk je, tak payah nak dramatik sangat. Kau tampar lagi orang tau. Okay. Where are we? Apa aku tak nampak tu? Oh, okay. Bukalah tombol tu. Hello, siapa-siapa ke? The apartment is on the first floor. Okay. Find the apartment. Okay. Find who? Ni ke? Damn, that's so loud, bro. Are you serious me right now? Okay, so first find the apartment. So first floor, ground floor. Kenapa dia like dia ni bersinar? Okay, Brandon. Brandon. Okay, at this point kan, semua neighbours akan tahu aku kat sini. What's that? Brandon? Kejap. Find dia apartment. So apartment dia ni betul ke dekat sini Ni lah first floor kan? Okay, tak ada tempat lain. So aku rasa tadi ada neighbours tu lock kunci dia. Dia lock pintu dia. Aku dah kata dah, neighbour ni penakut. I remember. This is the one. Okay. Bro, okay, kalau dah macam ni kau call je lah polis. Why is this blood? I've gotta find a way inside. Maybe there's something in the basement that can help me. Nak kena pergi basement balik. Nak time pergi basement balik. So why postpone the inevitable? Is that a rat? You disgusting. Search the basement for a way inside. Ada apa-apa ke aku dapat kat sini? Hello? Ada apa-apa ke? Maybe kat bilik lain. Maybe kat bilik ni kot. Bro, that sound is so loud, bro. Serious. Okay, this might come in handy. Yeah, mana siapa lagi? Who want to taste this? I've given some plak. Smash down Noah and Brandon apartment door. Okay. Boleh tak aku swing budak lah ni? Kan lagi senang. Macam Wacha! Wacha! Ketepek. Saya cakap banyak sebab saya takut. Bro, kalau boleh kau tak nak tendang je lagi kau kuat macam tu. Tak ada apa-apa. Okay. Darah. Siapa berak ni? Ni bukan darah dah ni. Dia siapa berak sini? Hello? Macam tu. Ada orang dalam ni ke? Hello? Brandon! Oh no. Brandon! Holy! I knew it. I knew no one was hiding something. I've gotta call the police. Find a phone and call. Kau tak bawa handphone ke? Kau serius lah kau tak bawa handphone tu? Like, ada info kat sini? Tak ada apa-apa tu kat sini. Tak ada apa-apa kat sini. Mana handphone? Sorry, saya tak berniat maksudnya. Should have mind your own business, Jason. You really shouldn't have. You killed. Since you already pulled out. Did you know you're getting a new roomie? A new roomie? Yeah. Let me introduce you. This break right here, bro. Are you really corny right now? It's gonna live. Say your name. Okay. 2 minutes later. Oh, kita jadi Noah pula. Hide Jason's body. I need to get rid of the body. Okay. Okay. Just a little macam Okay. Like okay, aku itulah apa akibatnya kalau aku main dengan makanan. Police are coming. The basement. And you escape. Dah lepas dah benda tu. Kau buat apa lagi? Okay, tak. Aku tak tahu kenapa. Oh, aku rasa mungkin neighbours dengar ni. The end of episode 1. Okay. Faham? Okay. Itu namanya The Noah's Secret. So, apa pendapat aku okay lah. Gamenya okay lah. Cumanya aku dah kata dah. Aku dah agak dah. Yang dia ni kriminal. Tahu kriminal. Macam macam aku cakap lah, kalau kau terjar rumah orang tanpa ketuk, it's mean like you are in a rushing state tau. Macam kau macam adrenaline kau naik tau. Kau mesti doing something wrong. And dia tak bagi tahu, and dia chill je. So itu dah tentu tunjukkan dia ni pembunuh. Okay, itu saja korang untuk game kita, 2 game kita hari ni. So if korang suka, jangan lupa like, komen dan subscribe. Sorry kalau game kali ni tak seberapa seram. And game ni tak, sebab aku tak tahu, aku rasa feeling brave hari ni. So if korang suka, jangan lupa like. Macam aku cakap lah. Okay, so itu saja from Zeno out. Terima kasih. Bye bye.